I learned a secret at a Tony Robbins event. That feels like cheating. I've been going to Tony Robbins events since 1998, and working them is honestly a blast. But in late 2011, something happened that changed how I solve problems forever. I met Eric Meads, and he trained the event crew on one thing: how to run a mastermind effectively. If you don't know what a mastermind is, think of it like having a personal board of directors for your life. Andrew Carnegie taught this to Napoleon Hill, and Hill wrote about it in Think and Grow Rich. But here's the part most people mess up. If you want it to actually work, do it like this. Get no more than 6 people, positive, committed, obsessed with growth. Step 1, person number 1 says the goal or problem 1 to 3 minutes max. Step 2, everyone else fires solutions, 1 minute each. No rambling. Step 3, the group visualizes that person's massive success. Step 4, rotate, repeat. And you finish with this pledge, because this is what makes it powerful. I promise that any ideas that I have that might help you will be shared with you by me as fast as humanly possible. If you want, I'll drop a simple mastermind agenda template you can copy. Comment mastermind and I'll send it.